Nati. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to convert a large size t-shirt into a casual jacket like this. Yes, I have made this jacket from a t-shirt which was lying at our place and no one was wearing it. So actually I came across this idea in a tailoring crafts book which I had picked up from Singapore some time back, and I found it very interesting. I tried it and it actually worked. So I thought I must share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's start with the tutorial. So take any large t-shirt with a round neck and half sleeves, and if there is anything printed or written on the t-shirt, it will actually come on one of the sleeves of the jacket, so don't worry about it. Now we have to cut along the sides of the t-shirt. On one side cut along both the lower and the upper border of the sleeves. On the other side cut only along the lower border of the sleeve and not on the upper border. So first we are cutting the right side of the t-shirt. We'll also cut along the bottom border of the sleeve. We'll also cut along the upper border of the sleeve up till the neck. We will repeat the same on the other side of the t-shirt, but on this side we will cut only along the lower border of the sleeve and not along the upper border of the sleeve. Okay, so now comes the part where the t-shirt transforms into the jacket. So open it up and fold it down like this on both the sides. So now the sleeves of the t-shirt has become the body of the jacket and the body of the t-shirt has become the sleeves of the jacket. So now all you have to do is stitch along the sleeves and the sides of the jacket. For this, flip it over . And now mark the outline of the sleeves with a chalk depending on how tight you want the sleeves to be. Repeat this on the other side as well. Now place some awl pins along the marking so that the two sides of the jacket don't get displaced when you stitch along it. Cut along the marking, leaving a bit of margin. Repeat the same on the other side as well. You can now first sew roughly using a needle and thread and then try on the fitting, and then give it a final stitch using either needle and thread or a sewing machine. And your jacket will be ready. So girls, I hope that you like this idea of converting your t-shirt into a jacket, and use a large size t-shirt with a round neck for this and keep the sleeves a little tight to give it a more casual and cool look. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.